Ko Ruapihu te maunga, ko whanganui te awa, ko Aotea te waka, ko Rake te pauma te marae, ko Ngāti Rangi, rātou ko te Atiho Nui a Paparangi, ko Rongo mai wahine oku iwi, ko Cara Waretini toku ingoa. For my birthday, my sister and my mum bought me a sewing machine, and a friend of mine said, "You've got a sewing machine, can you do some costumes for us?" And I went, "Probably, yeah, let's give that a go." And I knew for sure then that yes, I want to be in this industry, and yes, I love costumes, working with fabrics, building the characters up from the outside while the actors are building the characters from the inside. My design process is a very tactile thing. I mean, it's great to see something on a computer screen, but I love to hold things, I love to feel things. So whether that be pictures, images, fabric swatches, even down to ribbon threads and buttons, it's about collecting all these little bits of information and kind of putting it into a mood board of the character. I think my greatest accomplishment would be working on the Undertow series. So that was a set of 4 plays that started in the 1840s and ended the day after tomorrow. I love watching performers transform and really own their character because of the clothes that they wear. So currently I have 8 chronic illnesses, diseases and conditions. A lot of those give me limited amount of hours in a day. But the hardest thing about my conditions is that they are invisible illnesses. I'm really lucky to realise what I have got and be able to plan my life accordingly.